Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, and after completing the basic tutorial levels, you will be taken into the home page from which you can log into your existing account by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now you will see the link accounts option, within which just tap on the link button, and now you can link your EA account, your Facebook, or your Google Play Games account in order to log in. Just choose whichever option you used to sign up for your account, and after continuing forward with your profile and logging in using your credentials, you will be logged back into your FIFA mobile account, and all of your previous progress will revert back as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.